number one, we're finding the exact value of the expression. So we need to figure out for A, where is 630 degrees. So we think of the unit circle and subtract 360 from the 630. It lands at 270. So on the unit circle, you're doing the sine of 270. And on the unit circle, y is the sine. So that answer is -1. Okay, for B, we're looking for cosine of negative pi. So a negative angle goes clockwise direction, so it lands right here where pi is. And that's the point -1, 0. On the unit circle, cosine is the x, so the answer for B is also -1. All right, C, cotangent of 390. Subtracting 360 from the 390, this is going to land on the angle of 30 degrees. If we look at the angle for 30 degrees, it is √3/2, comma, a half. Cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so it's x over y. So I need to take my x, divide it by my y, which is a half. Change that to multiplication, flip it around. Those cancel, so my answer for C is the square root of 3. Okay, D is asking you to find the value of tangent of 19 pi over 6. If I do 19 times 180 and divide it by 6, I'm looking for a tangent of 570 degrees. I subtract 360 from that, and I get it at 210. So on the unit circle, 210 is -√3/2, comma, -1/2. Tangent is y over x. So I'm going to go ahead and take my y, divide it by my x, change division to multiplication, flip the fraction around. The 2's cancel again, so I'm left with -1/√3, and I must rationalize it. So my final answer is -√3/3. Actually, it's positive. My bad, because we've got two negatives. Yep, positive. Positive √3/3 for D. Okay, what's E? All right, E is asking for inverse sine of 3/5 and then do the cosine of that. 3/5 is not right on the unit circle. We need to think of the restriction for sine, which is from -90 to +90. Well, where is sine positive? In quadrant 1. So let's make our triangle in quadrant 1 there. 3 is the opposite, 5 is the hypotenuse, and this third side is 4 if you do the Pythagorean theorem. Now I got to do cosine. So cosine is adjacent over opposite, so this answer is 4/5. Okay, last one, F. In the parentheses, tangent of 4 pi over 7, and then I want to do the inverse of that. Well, remember, whenever you have a function and its inverse, they cancel each other out. So basically, you're left with the answer that's there. So it's 4 pi over 7.